There are channels creating music with AI that have gained over 2,000 subscribers and thousands of views within just 3 months, and they're already earning money in that short amount of time. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use MusicCreator.ai, the tool you can use to turn simple ideas into full songs for your channel. MusicCreator.ai is a specialized AI music generator designed specifically for creating unique music. With MusicCreator.ai, you can create instrumental music, write lyrics separately, or generate complete songs combined with melody and lyrics. So whether you want original and 100% royalty-free music for your videos, or you're curious about starting a lo-fi or other music channel yourself, here's how to get started. And no music skills are needed. Before we start creating music, you'll need an account. When you open Music Creator, you'll see a registration window like this. Just choose Continue with Google, or you can log in if you already have an account. It takes only a few seconds, and once you're signed in, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, this is the dashboard you'll see. On the left side, you have all the tools Music Creator offers: the AI music generator, AI lyrics generator, vocal remover, stem splitter, singing voice generator, song cover generator, music mastering, MIDI editor, and more. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the AI music generator at the top. When we start focusing on the AI music generator at the top, you'll find the main prompt area in the middle, where you can describe the music you want to generate. You can choose between instrumental only, or add your own lyrics. Below that, you'll see different categories like genre, mood, instrument, ambience, and vocal gender. These help shape the sound exactly the way you want. If you're looking for inspiration, there are 3 creative paths you can explore. You can generate a fully customized rap using different rhyme targets, structures, and personas. You can also transform a photo into music by uploading an image and letting the tool turn your story into sound. And if you want to celebrate someone special, you can create a personalized happy birthday song based on their unique story. If you want it more playful, more formal, or more YouTube-friendly, just whisper, and this AI will remix it. And here at the bottom, when your settings are ready, you'll click Generate Music. It costs 2 credits per track. On the right side, you can browse example tracks that were generated with the tool. This is helpful if you want inspiration or want to hear what different genres sound like. Let's listen to one of the samples. That is very beautiful. Let's start by creating our first track. For this tutorial, I'm keeping it simple and selecting instrumental only. When you turn this on, the tool focuses only on generating music without vocals. Now, if you're not sure how to describe the sound you want, you can click the Get Inspired button. It will automatically create a creative prompt for you. In this case, it generated, "Craft a song that tells a heartfelt story, evoking deep emotions and connection." You can keep this as it is, or edit it to describe your own idea. The tool responds well to simple descriptions like this. I will leave it as it is and hit the Generate Music button. This will cost you just 2 credits. The music generator generated 2 unique variations of a song titled "The River Took Her Name," built from the prompt describing a heartfelt, emotional instrumental piece. Within the AI music generator panel, the prompt focuses on crafting a story-driven composition with deep emotional connection, supported by selected tags such as folk, country, and heartfelt ambience. Each variation appears in your workspace with full playback controls, metadata, and options for remixing, downloading, or obtaining a commercial license. The results show 2 versions. Let's listen to one of the songs. And again, it created a beautiful and calming song. Now let's create a second track and write our own prompt, this time using our own description, and we'll use a female vocal. The description I'm going for is a warm, relaxing lo-fi beat with soft drums, gentle background chords, and calm ambient pads for studying. That's enough for the tool to understand the mood and style. Now we let AI generate the song. As you can see, MusicCreator.ai generated 2 tracks titled Drifting Clouds, both labeled with tags such as lo-fi, soft drums, gentle, warm, calm ambient pads, relaxing, and female vocal, showing how the tool shaped the idea into 2 slightly different mellow, study-friendly lo-fi compositions. Let's listen to the result.
Pencil scratching paper slow. Thoughts they wonder where they go. Faint glow of the evening light. In my room I chase the night. Drifting clouds.
I like it very much. The result is gentle lo-fi with a warm, airy mood that's easy to relax or study to. Before we wrap up, there's one more useful feature I want to show you, the AI Vocal Remover. This feature lets you separate the vocals from the song. On the left, the menu lists all available tools, and the Vocal Remover is currently active. In the center, the workspace displays my previously generated songs, including both versions of Drifting Clouds. Each track shows its duration, tags, and playback options. Below the list, you can choose the mode, vocals or stem separations, and use the large green button to remove vocals from any selected track using 2 credits. You can also just upload a song for the separation process. On the right, the history panel shows your processed files. Here it displays the vocal and instrumental stems of Drifting Clouds that were created a few minutes earlier. Now let's listen to the instrumental results. Here's a quick overview of the pricing plans. The free plan is up to 2 songs per month, 1 full generation, and basic tools like lyrics, vocal remover, stem splitter, and mastering. Good for testing, but no downloads and personal use only. The starter is $14.99 per month. 200 songs, 100 generations, commercial license, advanced tools, and up to 1,000 downloads. Great if you want to use the music in monetized content. The hobby plan is $29.99 per month. 500 songs, 250 generations, 5 concurrent tasks, commercial rights, and most advanced features. Ideal for regular creators or content channels. The professional plan is $49.99 per month. 1,200 songs, 600 generations, 10 concurrent tasks, unlimited downloads, advanced AI voice training, and priority support. Best for high-volume creators or professional workflows. So in short, The free plan is for testing, the starter plan is for light creators, the hobby plan is the sweet spot for most people, and the professional plan is for heavy users or people running music channels or production workflows. And that's a wrap for today. If you want to test MusicCreator.ai, the link is in the description. For more tutorials and remote work resources, you can always stop by remotejobleads.com. Thanks for watching and take care.